Save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. Take off the two holding screws on the outside of the light with a Phillips screwdriver. Unclip the light, separating it slightly from the trunk and then pulling it carefully towards you. Remove the power connector by pushing on the white tab. Still using the screwdriver, unscrew the two screws on the bulb connector board, then remove it. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulb.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble it, carefully position the board, then screw the two screws back in. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back. Close the car trunk. To replace the reverse lights, we recommend lifting the back of the vehicle to get full access, but it is not required. Position yourself under the bumper, making a quarter turn anti-clockwise while holding the black tab, then remove the whole thing. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.